cash. Oh yeah, Efia Odo.
Enti enro Sunday ye de osono nyina ekopie mu e Evangelist Mama Patt na saw them, that is ex comfort agrada na saw them and is ye call have ye church service na hono no in fact enkonya sisi ye na Tonardo eba hono mo ebe tu sika be bosika tu egu agrada so ema Efia Odo so eba ho ema just at the end of the day no a chew Penyah ebe mu ewo agrada aso de aha Penyah block media message say any day mo obe like video na da roma obe subscribe button so na back like ba notification icon for latest update aba kire wadwen e dey ma me e go comment section any day ma eya no ahye video na ma wonu aso enya bi ahwe eti enra Sunday service na me na ma tibi ko pay Evangelist Mama Patt eya na so dem they say na osomo e koso ya wonu nse no na Tonardo ayeze kan na oye Efia nigga ne paddy na Tonardo e bo ana e beduru honom e ma yeze osomo e koso na de na Tonardo e ba be di asa
shout na Tonardo in the house. Nana, look here. God loves you. Yes. Shout on Nana Tonardo. Aye. Warriors here. What you say?
obe tuska gwa agrada so
Songs I warriors. Look here, I want you to come to the camera. Last, Nana Tonardo, he loved God. Hey, yes, he said, Wabama, yeah, I was just for you now. Hey, those are the wires. Hey, yes, who not to my rock. Tonardo to you. And what wire say, Yawa, Sikawa, Yawa. Nana, yes, that's it. I know what. But don't go at so. Yes, hey, Yawa, Nasawa, Yawa, and Yawa, what you say, Yawa, Nana, and Yawa.
ema obekire die nti kura oba ehonomo
money no ena Mama Patt me mama for so many
some kasi Mama Patt
me kai some years ago me what I will hear mo no na me ba school fees po na me to be into ya but me ni obi dey komo na Mama Patt down for America and also Tonardo me ni Mama Patt e dey komo although na me ni Mama Patt Patt so bit your bani school fees amount. And unti sa dia na Mama Patt e your mama no. Me am it na internet so Eka said there is no way whatever will happen me mama no it your mommy we either.
Jesus.
Because of idea why your mommy Inti Mama Patt we so that was beyond for so many years your mama. Yeah me kenyi inti we told you me baby me ba hanuma enya bone my shrey me make a cry.
Kafra.
And me say me bana my baby invite Mama Patt any angel is Siama.
And then sorry money na.
Sorry money na.
Bring the invitation for the Emako Mame, the elders here, Mr. Enchi and Emako Mame to come and receive the invitation from Nana Tonardo mother's funeral. Clap your hands when they are coming. Focus on the camera. So for direct them for their face to be on the camera. Bonsam Kasiama Jesus. We have received the invitation and the catching and not Tonardo said, Yeswaya yare. Apart from yare and I ebit me aquatia. Say yare ni sanya wakai papa me yamao. almost more than 6 years, 7 years ago. Na wanuntia meda since that day. And then depending on yes, Yamin Shram. And yes, we are the one. Many penny for the men sorema. A baba towage. Oh, yes, it is. Bon, some man and not Tonardo. Our brother and penny for no eggs and I say. Bon, some Marco for Mamma some.
And watching as a woman say, if you're also a unity, a was ye. If you're also by ye, or also be dear, sir.
Oh, yes, Fia Odo, Fia Odo, Fia Odo, Fia Odo, Fia Odo. Fia me bebo nyum bia ma wo. Tonardo boy me boma. Oh, say na why say. Enya wo. Eye wurade a. I want you to dance for me. Let's dance for you. Heavyweight champion. Dance, dance. You are on the Facebook. Give it to them. Hey. Who's that me why you fa? Hey, yes, na tomaraka. Na jibio. Who's that ya why you fa? Suna tomaraka. Who's that ya why you fa? Ah, hey, hey. Who's that ya why? Hey. Hey, you say, and Yamia, was about to pet Yamia, Nasia, Yamia, Yacha, Yamia, hey, Yamia, a Siawa, my whole say, me brofono, hey, I have a dream, hey, Shirankoa, hey, Yamia, and we don't know the reason why Efia is here. So I will call Efia Odo Chibrofo or Kachi Kakra or Kabrofo Kakra. Now, for her to come and tell us the reason why she is here. Wow. As Efia Odo is coming, clap for Efia Odo. Are you following where?
Elon Subetri didn't tell about Emma no crowd or couldn't go to the animal echo pa a gradacho.
Ushers, where is the usher? Come forward and stand.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm gonna mix my English and my
Bon,
so me, you know, it's not like 100%. And see, sometimes me try say me can. Sometimes me can't.
But you're more picking the panel or Cassana and Shano. Why? The empty or by any here and any panic guhano. Mufa come and Anton, so then you shed your walk canoe.
Sometimes my tree is really like it's not good.
Move for the clothes.
And see, I have a show, a podcast, but it's a morning podcast. I have a show, and we invited one person, Councillor Luthertz, to come on it. So when he came on the show, we were talking about different things, and then we talked about our mama here. And now, so instead of Semeka, I said something like Mama Patt does Sikaduro, but I meant to say Gary Sika. So I kind of mixed the tree. So I came here to ask my lovely mommy for forgiveness. That I'm so sorry, mommy, for mistakenly saying what I said. Thank you.
Send you one new home. And one new master, my kind. The brother no kind in an say, if you are Koto, a shy. And that yet. Punishment.
No problem.
Brafwa, yen yabana kind and say, I mean, more said, I'm in your pet. Now come down into me fire. What's all your program be? Or the Abrantia be a friend of Councillor Luthertz. As Abrantia and Munim say, or no, no, Quasia, some one or come cream. Now, but I would any body show this solo. Or provoke a can make some, can make some one some. And my brand in the none also, or no so odimatam. Sagrada Ajisika Duru. And I got a call from the producer. Said they want me to say a member of my program. And I'm so be a Majisika Duru. If you want to prosper, you can't call a Sikaduro on your platform. And a fiancé or beba or about the patcho. Because on the any man hustle or career yano, no one known home. So we are nearby a few dog, ever ha, a chowpa, and or the years, any heavyweight champion. Any prophet into a siama, any son ma, any anointing wo fia. Our asamu enya efi nanum ebaye. Efia Yesu aje wasom na mesoma som. Erade nhyira. God bless you. Bible said, "Ye wonu ne ho no na ka ne bone no. Onu awurade wa no kwa force de be che." 1 John chapter 9. Was say ye kase enya bone a ye ya trofo. Ti se waje bone atum na wa ba no. Erade osoro e de achew. Na menso e de achew. I love you too. Okay, clap for Efia. Clap for Efia. Clap for. Okay, clap for Efia. Clap for Efia. Clap for Efia Odo. Clap for Efia Odo. Clap for.
And the entire Efia Odo paragraph actually, Yebekaya in Chebia. Efia Odo any council Detroit, Echo interview. Na ehon Efia Odo ko yitu mo say, Eye Evangelist Mama Patt ya kan friend na grade. On the first na oyesika gari. Yes. That time no be say agrada de we comfort oyesika duro ni ade. Etinansi a wayesa be sofie no. Am for still adult no. Ebis there be. How can I just switch from comfort to suffer? How? It doesn't make sense. How? Efia Odo in his interview with Council Detroit, Echo can say, Evangelist Mama Patt zika wodi sebe eyisika fin eyisika duro ana wagie ana wodie eno ntina Efia Odo ekopi mo agrada asoeye na okopa achew se nsem bia okotena be bia akokan ye bia de obama numu maba macheme ebi nsibie dey say everything I say na Tonardo ene Efia Odo oma be ye valid church members of Evangelist Mama Patt. Obetuma kire wadwene e wo comment section. Aha Penyah blog media.